turkey legs. With corned beef hash I'm all through, 'cause I'm getting myself ready for you. I'll never stoop to onion soup, and pork and beans are taboo, 'cause I'm getting myself ready for you. To be sure of being worthy of you, dear, in every way, I'm building a perfect physique. And beside which I want you to holler hooray when first you see me in my soul to speak. If you still feel I need a meal, I'll risk an olive or two, but I'm getting myself ready for you.
I've been through the mill